Welcome to openSIS. In this video, we'll show you how to roll over your school data to the next academic year. To begin, go to the Tools section from the left menu and select Rollover. Before proceeding, you must complete two critical checks. First, ensure that all grade levels have their next grade properly set. Second, check that all continuing students have the next grade at current school selected in their enrollment information. You can verify both of these by clicking the Review Grade Level Settings and Check Student Enrollment Records buttons. These will guide you to the correct sections to make any updates. Once you're confident everything is in place, tick the checkbox confirming that you've reviewed these settings. Now, scroll down to enter the details for the upcoming school year. Set the student re-enrollment date, followed by the begin and end dates for the academic year, as well as all the marking period dates for semesters or quarters. When all the fields are filled, click on the Rollover button. Please note, rollover is an irreversible action. After the process is complete, simply log out and log back in to see the new school year in effect. And that's it. You've successfully completed a school year rollover in openSIS.